Hola Chicadora! For today's video, we'll be cooking a quick, simple, and very healthy meal. So you'll see here this vegetable and fish combo. For the fish, we'll be using the round scad, or also known as galunggong in the Philippines. So after cleaning them, removing all the intestines, you need to dredge in flour with salt for added flavor. And make sure, guys, that your pan and oil is hot when you fry your galunggong or your round scad. So I'll be doing this in one batch only, and after putting them all in this pan, I'm gonna cover it for like about 8 to 10 minutes depending on your liking. I'll be frying the other side for about 8 to 10 minutes. I prefer my fish to be crispy on the outside and a little bit tender on the inside. And depending on you, if you want this fish, this galunggong or round scad, to be very, very crispy. While frying the other side of the fish, you can already start sauteing your vegetables. So I started with the beef. I rendered the fat, and I'll be using this oil in sauteing my aromatics. So normally I already prepare my onions and garlic. So when I prepare my onions, I usually store them in the fridge for like 5 to 7 days. So I don't have to cut every time I cook some food. Next, add the black pepper. So since I'm fond of black pepper, so it's quite a lot. Maybe you can add like 1 to 2 teaspoon of black pepper depending on your liking. And then add fish sauce. So in this case, maybe it's around like 2 to 3 teaspoon of fish sauce. And after that, you continue to saute it. And finally, you can add now the mixed vegetables. So I bought these mixed vegetables at No Frills. So it's very convenient, very fresh, but of course frozen. So here, I'll just add this one bag, and after that, I'll just mix well, stir well, saute, and after a while, you need to cover it so that they won't get mushy. So you may cover it for like about 5 minutes, or depending on your depending on the fire or temperature of your stove. And now time for the taste test. So let's try it if it's salty or needs a little bit of salt. So let's see. Oh well, it tastes perfectly fine. So like the 2 teaspoon of fish sauce is already okay with this one bag of vegetables. So there you have it. We already have our fried round scad or galunggong, and we also have our mixed vegetables with ground beef. So it's now ready to serve and eat. Enjoy!